how we raise our children. To get as many A's as they can, or we leave them to explore, to be brave. Our children are spending a lot of time in learning the ABC, 1, 2, 3, how to perform in a sport or maybe an instrument. But they are not learning the one thing that has the greatest impact in their life. Have you ever seen an A student that struggle in the real world? Or maybe a C student that thrive in the real world? How is this possible? The answer is having a good mindset. Mind power is the secret. A growth mindset will help the child to handle fear, failure, change, challenges, mistakes, and handle the ups and downs of growing up. All children should learn these life skills at an early age so they can go for it in life. They can fight for their dreams with confidence. They can reach their fullest potential. My name is Anna, and I'm certified as a Wisdom Life Coach for children. And I use stories from a proven program called Adventure in Wisdom to coach children that they are shy, they have low confidence, they are anxious. I love to help them to get outside of their comfort zone, to develop the confidence and the social skills so they can go out and make new friends and walk with their head held high. I have more information about the mindset on my website. You will find the link up here or down here. Thank you very much for watching this video.